Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. Today we are working on a soap for a Collab. I have my base oils here. Before I add my lye solution, I'm going to add some powder. Instead of 2 whole full scoops, we'll just do a scoop and a half. Okay, so now I'm going to add my lye water solution. I made this yesterday. There's very little bit of lye lint on top, but I'm not too worried about it because we are just gonna mix that out of there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this in here. I don't want to over mix today, so I just did a little by hand there. Today we're using the Frosted Pine Cones fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. This is supposed to turn a light beige, I do believe. So we're not going to add that to the white portion of our soap. We will add it to the blues though. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour some off. So I'm going to have I'm not going to save too much for my white. Majority of this soap will be blue. Okay. Mix up my micas really quick. This is sky blue mica. I have it just mixed with some olive oil here. This is such a pretty blue. We aren't going to need too much of this color today. The next color is going to be Blue Vibrance from Nurture Soap. My titanium dioxide pre-mixed with some water. That was our fragrance oil. I'm just going to stir this by hand. Okay. So now I just kind of want to mix these blues together. So I'm just going to give this a super duper quick buzz. Just really, really quick. Now that that is mixed up, we are going to pour just a small little layer of this dark blue. Okay. What we want to do now is add our embed. This is our little tree covered in snow. I used some of the Shimmer Pearl mica with some melt and pour on top of this. And really quick, I'll show you the video on how I made this. Okay, so now that my embed is in my mold, I am going to do my in the pot swirl. Work really high just to get that in there. To flatten this out. So what I did is, after I finished pouring, I took the spoon and I just scooped it all to one side, and now I'm going to wait for this white to thicken up, and then hopefully we can either pipe or just plop some clouds on top. That's the look we're going for. I did add some of this shimmer pearl to this white just to kind of sparkle it up, and I may even drizzle some on top as well. So I'll bring you back when this white has thickened up enough. Okay, so I'm back now to pipe the top. Now this isn't a very good thick consistency, but I'm okay with just plopping it on. So we're gonna see how it goes. I did put some of the shimmer pearl mica down the edges of my piping bag, and I've got a Wilton to a tip in there. Put this white in. It's going to move very, very fast with this. Alright, so as you can see, those are my very ploppy clouds, which is I'm going to take both Super Sparkles and Shimmer Pearl and spray the tops with both of these and just really cover my clouds with this. This is a Wonderland soap after all. So we're back the next morning to cut the soap. Really quick before we look at it, I just wanted to show a couple of the required ingredients for this soap collaboration. The first one was milk of any kind, liquid or powder, and so this is what I went with, the powdered goat's milk, and this is the Meyenberg whole powdered goat's milk. And I usually work with this. I love working with this. The next one was glitter of sorts, and so I used Shimmer Pearl, and then I also used Super Sparkles. Now this kind of looks pink on the inside because I've repurposed this. So those were my glitters, and then of course white was used with titanium dioxide. So let me just move these out of the way. Okay, so I have already unmolded our soap, and it came out like a dream. Here's what it looks like. And there's the side of it. The other side. Okay, so my embed didn't quite reach both ends, So we'll be cutting a sample piece from each side here, right about where I think it would be. Okay. Here's what this piece looks like. Definitely interesting. It looks like it's turning more blue around the edges and the top, so maybe as the air hits it, it won't look as green. That's what I'm going for, because our tree kind of gets lost in there. And that is a mountain pour embed, so I'm trying to be gentle on my wire here. That's cute. Why is it? It's making a mark on the inside of my soap here. But here's this one. Plastic piece always gets in the way and it makes an indentation on my soap bars. So I'm going to have to cut this one a little bit thicker so I can plane that off. Alright, and I'll show you what I mean. Right there is the little drag. A little plastic piece that sits on my wire. I don't know why. It got in the way. It didn't move it. Okay, and here's the other side. Alright, so I'm just going to keep cutting these. Okay, and I encourage you to check out the other soapers that participated in this collab. It has really been fun to do this, and everybody is just so friendly, so full of advice and suggestions if you just ask. And I just want to thank Renee for sending me the invitation to participate in this. It was really sweet that she's put this together. So I do encourage you to go check them out and subscribe and like everybody's videos. I can't wait to see what everybody else has created. Alright, you guys, so I will see you on the next video. Y'all have a great day.